Are you truly in control of your life? Or is there something deeper within you, silent, invisible, that's been guiding your every step without your awareness? This isn't just a philosophical question. It's one of the most important realizations you'll ever have. Because if your subconscious mind is pulling the strings, the good news is you can learn to rewire those strings. And once you do, life changes. Not slowly, sometimes in seconds. I didn't always know this. I used to believe life was about effort, hustle, grinding it out. I was stuck in a loop, setting goals, failing, starting again, and always feeling like something unseen was working against me. And then I discovered something that cracked open the door to real power: my subconscious mind. It wasn't just a mental concept or motivational phrase, it was real. And it was controlling everything. Think of the mind like an iceberg. The tip that floats above water is your conscious awareness, what you know, feel, and decide. But below the surface lies the vast bulk of who you are, the subconscious. This hidden part of your mind stores every memory, every belief, every emotional imprint you've ever experienced. It holds your habits, your instincts, your fears, your identity. And whether you realize it or not, it's the subconscious that is scripting your life. We often blame fate, luck, or other people for our circumstances. But neuroscience reveals that 95% of our behavior is not conscious. It's automatic. It's the result of deeply embedded patterns that were formed when we were too young to question them. That voice in your head that says, "I'm not good enough," or "success isn't for people like me." That's not you. That's old programming. The real you is hidden beneath it, waiting to be rediscovered. The magic begins when you learn to reprogram that internal script. And it's surprisingly simple. The first key is repetition. What you repeatedly tell yourself becomes your truth. Affirmations aren't just cheesy quotes. They are instructions to the subconscious. When you say, "I am worthy," "I am healthy," or "abundance flows to me," you are feeding your subconscious new data. And the subconscious, like a powerful computer, begins to act on that new code. But affirmations alone aren't enough. You need to feel them. Emotion is the language of the subconscious. That's why visualization is so effective. When you visualize your goal, really see it, feel it, smell it, your subconscious can't tell the difference between imagination and reality. It starts working to align your external world with that internal vision. Suddenly, you're seeing opportunities where you saw blocks. You feel braver, clearer. You stop self-sabotaging and start flowing. And there's science to back it. Neuroplasticity shows that the brain is always rewiring itself based on repeated thoughts and emotions. So even if you've lived with limiting beliefs for decades, you can change. You can rewrite the story. Not by force, but by consistency and feeling. The more you repeat positive patterns with emotion, the deeper they go. And the more you feed your subconscious clarity, purpose, and gratitude, the more it responds. Want to go deeper? Try mindfulness meditation. Just 10 minutes a day of sitting with your breath, watching your thoughts, will start to reveal what's been running in the background. Those moments when you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not capable," and replace it with, "I am enough." That's healing in action. Sleep is another portal. In the moments before sleep and just after waking, your brain enters a state where the subconscious is most receptive. That's the golden time to repeat your affirmations and visualize your goals. And then there's hypnotherapy. a powerful, evidence-backed way to access your subconscious in a relaxed state and gently reprogram outdated beliefs. I've seen people heal trauma, overcome phobias, and completely transform their confidence through it. But even without formal hypnosis, your daily habits, thoughts, and emotions are hypnotizing you already. The question is, are they hypnotizing you into fear or into your highest potential? Once I started applying these techniques, affirmations, visualization, mindfulness, sleep routines, things started to shift. Not just externally, but inside. The weight I'd been carrying for years began to lift. I found myself taking bolder decisions, trusting life more, and attracting people and experiences that reflected my new mindset. It felt like magic, but it wasn't. It was the power of the subconscious mind finally working for me, instead of against me. The real journey, though, isn't just about success or manifestation. It's about wholeness. When you access the subconscious, you meet your true self. Not the one molded by society or wounded by past experiences, but the one that's always been silently guiding you toward healing, truth, and joy. You realize you're not broken. You've just been misprogrammed. And with love, repetition, and awareness, you can rewrite it all. So if you're feeling stuck, or if life feels like a loop you can't break out of, pause. Ask yourself, what's living in my subconscious? What beliefs am I repeating every day without even knowing? And most importantly, what new story do I want to tell? Because the truth is, you have the power to change. And that power doesn't lie somewhere outside you. It's been within you all along, quiet, deep, powerful, waiting for you to listen. If this message touched something within you, if even one part of it made you pause and reflect, then take a moment to support this journey of awareness. Like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to this channel for more such deeply meaningful content. Your support helps us reach more hearts and minds, and it inspires us to keep creating content that truly matters. Thank you for being here.